Hello everyone, today I am filming a get ready with me and I'm filming it kind of vlog style, so it's kind of interesting. I haven't really done a video like this before. Anyways, I just got back from work. I did not wear any makeup to work and I just like let my hair air dry, so I'm very all natural right now. I'm gonna go from this to hopefully looking a lot better. I need to get my eyebrows done. That's like the first thing that I need to do. They look disgusting. I'm sorry, that's the only way to say it right now. I think that this is like the longest they've ever been, the most grown. Yeah. So I'm gonna go get those done and then I'm gonna come back here and do my makeup and everything like that and my hair, and I'm just gonna show you guys the process because tonight is one of my friend's birthdays. So we're going to have a girls' night, we're getting dinner, we're gonna go out for some drinks afterwards, and I'm really excited. So I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. I normally curl my hair just like sitting on the floor right here, and fun fact, I literally burnt my carpet and like pieces of my carpet came onto my curling iron and like plastic string was like in my hair, and it was really funny. But yeah, this little patch is from my curling iron. I probably could have set my apartment on fire, so now I put it on my table and it's like not touching. But yeah, I was an idiot. I'm about to curl my hair. I'm gonna do that first because I have to go write my name down at a restaurant and I'm in charge of that. I volunteered. And so I'm trying to like time it right. So I'm trying to leave at the same time that like it'll be 7 o'clock by the time we get there, if that makes sense, because this is a new Charlotte restaurant. So I'm trying to be like, I don't know, smart about it. And then I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. But I wanna make sure I have time to like come back and do my makeup. So this curling iron has a clamp and it's from T3. I love it, but I just like don't use the clamp because it just creases my hair whenever I use it because I don't know how to use the clamp. And sometimes it looks really good, but then like there's always a few pieces that I just mess up, and so I've just been doing this. But I really like this curling iron. It's a T3 curling iron. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want it, because you guys have asked me how I do my hair and like for a tutorial on it, and I literally just curl it like I'm doing now. Like I feel like it would be a pretty self-explanatory and basic tutorial, so it's better if you find out like what product I'm using. I feel like that makes a bigger difference. And I don't like separate my hair or anything. I just like, the ones I do, I like throw to the back. I just finished curling my hair. This is what it looks like, and it's gonna fall throughout the day. I just kind of like run my fingers through it. I don't ever put any hairspray or anything. My hair holds curl pretty well. That's how it is. I like it when it falls a little more and it's just like a little bit wavier. So I just kind of mess with it throughout the day. I'm gonna go and see how long the wait is to this restaurant to see if I can leave so I can go do my eyebrows.
We're calling Barcelona Wine Bar. This is Joshua. How can I help you?
Hi, how long is the wait right now for 7 people?
For 7 people, you are probably looking at about 45 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, not a problem.
Bye. So I guess I'll leave at like 6. Last time I went to this restaurant, it was a 3.5 hour wait. So we're just trying to time it right. So I realized that if I made the restaurant reservation at 6, and then they told me it was an hour, and it was like 20 minutes to go get my eyebrows, spend 10 minutes there, 20 minutes to come back, when am I gonna do my makeup? I'm gonna do my makeup before I get my eyebrows done. It's gonna be not a like makeup tutorial, it's more vlog style like I said, so excuse the lighting. We're gonna do this quick. Starting out with Laura Mercier Radiance Foundation Primer, and I will have all the products linked down below. I'm gonna give you a little review on all of them as I'm doing it. Love Laura Mercier primers. They are literally my favorite. I just ran out of like the normal one and I still have the Radiance one, so I've just been using that, which I really like because I love my skin to be like nice and glowy. Now I'm using L'Oreal Glotion. I'm almost out of this. I use this every day. I put it on my cheekbones and above my eyebrow and on my nose and like focus it kind of like on the bridge and the little tip of my nose. And then I'm going in with my favorite foundation and the best foundation ever made, the Giorgio Armani one. I am in the shade 6.5. And this one my mom has, and so I found it from her, and it was always pricey, so I didn't want to ever actually spend my own money on it. But I just was like, you know what? I have foundation for such a long time. I'm just gonna splurge and do it. So I bought it and no regrets. It is the best foundation, and when it first goes on, it doesn't look as good as throughout the day, which is weird. I feel like a lot of foundations are opposite, so it kind of like looks like you have foundation on for a second when you put it on, but then probably like a minute later it looks really good and it just melts into your skin and it looks more like skin. It doesn't look like foundation, which is what I love about it. I've been breaking out a lot lately, you guys can see. I think it's because I use this face mask, and you know, sometimes when you use face masks it brings all your impurities to the surface, because they're not like deep pimples, they're just like little kind of like whitehead pimples. So I'm gonna use this Tarte Shape Tape and put it on my pimples and hope that they don't show, because I don't want them to show. I also use this concealer for under my eyes, which I don't know if you're supposed to use the same one for under your eyes as you are for like spotting, like spot pimples, but I'm doing it. It's another one that I think it like looks like skin, like it blends so nicely, and my sister got me hooked on it. So ever since she started wearing it, I've been obsessed with it. I stole it from her. It's just so nice. Oh, I hate having acne. I know it's not that bad, like it's nothing to really complain about, but I hate it. Okay, now I'm doing Neutrogena Shine Control Powder. I like this because it doesn't look like you have powder on your face, but it does keep you from getting super oily, and it keeps your makeup from like falling all over the place or like sliding on your face. Maybe that's the foundation, I don't know, but I've been using these two together at the same time, so I can't tell which is the one. That's good. I like it. I don't have complaints about it. And I used to use one that was actually like a colored powder, but it just made me look a little cakier. So I've been using this one and I have been loving it. So I kind of want to try to contour with my Fenty stick. I never contour with this, but today is the day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna do it. Get ready. I'm not like a professional makeup artist, so we'll see how it looks. Am I doing it right? Okay, we're gonna blend it out. I've heard you're supposed to blend upwards. That's what the kids are saying. Oh, I forgot how much I love this product. It literally blends so nicely. Alright, there it is. It's blended out, I hope. I'm gonna kind of like do the powder over it just to blend a little more, but I don't know if I have to. Now I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle Highlighter, which has been my favorite highlighter for so long, you guys. So I'm gonna put this, I load it up on highlighter. You gotta be generous. I love the nose highlight. It's my favorite highlight. And for blush, I decided to be extra glowy today, and I'm using my Anastasia highlighter palette, and I'm gonna be using this purple color, and I'm gonna be doing that as my blush today. All right, there you go. Cool. And for my eyes, I am going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape to prime them. I've been doing it a lot lately, and it's just easier because I need less products to bring to film the video, I guess. So I like always blend it with my beauty blender. Does anyone else do that with their eyeshadow primer? Okay, I'm using my Morphe palette, this one, Morphe. This is in the Happy Hour 15H palette. It has the prettiest shades. Oh, so beautiful. And I'm gonna start by taking this like crease brush, and I think I'm gonna do, what am I gonna do? Should I go for like a red or like a brown? I think I might do browns. I'm gonna go for this color and start putting that in my crease and just doing an impromptu eyeshadow look. I like how it's kind of like orangey. I really love that. Wow, that's super pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna take the Trash Chalk color, which is like a gold, straight up gold, and put it all over my lid. And now I'm gonna take this little crease brush and I'm gonna use this color, this wingman color, and I'm gonna add a little bit of the red into it. And I kind of want like a darker look, so now I'm gonna add a dark brown like this one and do that into it. And now I'm gonna go get blending brushes and eyeliner and mascara. All right, it's like a race against the sun right now. I'm gonna take that like dark brown color and put it also under. And now I'm just gonna blend everything together. And now time for eyeliner. I'm gonna apply some eyeliner to my lower lash line. And some eyeliner. And now time for mascara. Honestly, my camera lighting has adjusted so well. I'm impressed. Look at the difference with mascara and no mascara. That's wild. I love this mascara. I'm using the Dior Show mascara and it is literally the greatest mascara ever. Like, I never want to buy another one. It is so good, you guys. It lasts like, it curls, it holds the curl, it makes them look so long without looking clumpy at all. Cool. Okay, so I did my makeup, yay! I'm gonna apply this lip gloss. Okay, I'm applying this Neutrogena Hydro Boost lip gloss. It's literally like chapstick. There you go. This is the look, but now we have to go and get my eyebrows done. Wow, I'm already looking better though, even without the eyebrows, but those are definitely, I need to get them done. So I just got back, did my eyebrows. I filled them in a little bit, but I am ready. I'm gonna show you guys my outfits and then I'm just gonna go out to dinner with the girls. Okay. So this is my outfit. I am wearing this cropped denim jacket from Forever 21, and this is the one that actually has a cheetah fur collar, but it's detachable, which I didn't realize until now because I was like, this would be so cute with this outfit if it didn't have that collar, and then I saw that it was detachable, so I'm really happy about that. This is like the perfect cropped denim jacket and it's from Forever 21, so I'll have it linked down below if you guys want it. I layered a Brandy Melville necklace with like just like a very, very thin silver chain that used to have something on it and it fell off, but I still wear it. This lace tank top, which is falling. Lace tank top, it's from a thrift store. I got it thrifted in Chicago. I think it's super, super cool though. I really, really like it. It's just like a cropped lace tank top. And then these jeans are LF, they're all ripped. And my shoes are snakeskin, fake snakeskin of course. And they are from Windsor, I think. But yeah, and then I have my bag. I'm wearing this Gucci bag, which has gold. This is the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed my transformation. Also, life hack, put makeup wipes in your bag when you go out at night, because I have been taking these off in the Uber ride home, and it's just so nice going to sleep, like right after you brush your teeth, and not having to take off your makeup. So literally I do this every time, and my friends always make fun of me, but I hand them a makeup wipe, and you know what? They are happy that I had these.